Okay, so today I'm going to be changing out the turn signal bulbs on the Trail Boss, the 2020 Silverado Trail Boss. And I'm going to be going with LED lights from Lace Fit. And these are supposed to be much brighter and just crisper in appearance. So figured it looks nice. I've seen other people do it on YouTube, and I figured I'd do the same. So as you see here on the screen, this is the actual one I bought, and I'll go ahead and start with the video. Alright, so right next to the red plug, there's a little turn knob. You would take that, turn it, and take it out, and that's where the bulb is. So here's the bulb once you've taken it out. So I'm going to change this now to the LED one. Alright, so this is the newer LED one. Like it's larger, but it still fits. Wow, what a difference. Much brighter, and doesn't lag like the other one, like the halogen. Done. Much better, much brighter. And by the way, if when you first plug in the bulb it doesn't light up, just take it back out, turn it 180 degrees, plug it back in, and that should do it. Alright, so that's it. I finished up changing both of them. I went ahead and took the factory halogen ones and put them in the packaging for the LED ones here so I can save them. Keep them in the truck with me. If ever there's a situation where one of them goes out, I can replace it, you know, for the meantime. Maybe prevent myself from getting a ticket or something. So yeah, put it. I'll store it here with the have the other lights here from the reverse. Should be pretty safe there. And one other note, if you do go ahead and turn on the turn signals or the hazards before you change out the bulbs, just so you can see what the difference is going to be, do not touch the halogen bulb. They're very hot, so just be very careful with that. Even if you have them on for just 10 seconds, they get very hot. So I'm sure the LED ones probably get hot too, but you're probably not going to end up touching those since you're installing them. So, all right, that's it. Thanks for watching.